All right, and in breaking news just coming in, father of the Janakpuri civic apathy victim speaks to CNN News 18, says, I am not satisfied with the police inquiry. The two accused who've been arrested by the Delhi police are just a cover-up. This was the father of the victim is saying, everyone is responsible for the death of my son, including the DJB, the authorities. Video exclusively with CNN News 18.
कार्यवाही के ऊपर आपका क्या कहना है? पुलिस ने जो दो लोगों को अरेस्ट किया है,
सब लिखा हुआ है।
आप सैटिस्फाइड नहीं है? तो आपने अभी उनका आज कोर्ट में भी लगेगा मामला, प्रोड्यूस होगी पुलिस के आगे, और जिस तरीके से बहुत
जो भी कुछ करना चाहे अपनी तरफ से कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमें बिल्कुल भी वो नहीं है।
तो पुलिस के बारे में पुलिस का ये कहना है कि 8 घंटे तक
व्यक्तिगत विशेष पे नहीं करना चाहता है। ये सबकी लापरवाही है, चाहे उसमें जल बोर्ड हो, एनडीएमसी हो, एमसीडी हो, पुलिस वाले हो। मैं एक व्यक्तिगत किसी उस पर आक्षेप नहीं लाना चाहता। जिम्मेदारी सबकी बनती थी। हमारे बच्चे सब थानों में गए, सबको इन्फॉर्मेशन किया, उसके बाद उन्होंने निर्णय नहीं लिया। उनकी कमी है, हमारी नहीं है।
और किसी ने बताया नहीं था, ये सवाल उठ रहा है कि आसपास के जो लेबरर्स थे उन्होंने भी नहीं बताया था।
मैं खुद घूम रहा था वहाँ पे, जिसको गार्ड को बताया था किसी ने कि यहाँ पे कोई गिर गया, उसके हमारे बच्चों ने पूछा खुद मेरे लड़की ने कि यहाँ पे ऐसी बात है, तो उसने साफ मना कर दिया, हमें नहीं पता।
All right, so that is the account of the father of the victim in the Janakpuri apathy case, saying that he's clearly not satisfied with the police inquiry. He's gone on to say that they're doing what they have to do at this point, but it is all a cover-up and it was everyone's responsibility, and everyone is responsible for the death of my son, including the Delhi Jal Board, the authorities. This is the video that CNN News 18 has exclusively, a conversation with the father of the victim, father of the Janakpuri civic apathy victim, Kamal, is who we're looking at. Kamal was on his way from home. The family began worrying about Kamal when he did not reach. He had fallen into a pit which was dug by the Delhi Jal Board, and we remember earlier we brought you reports of how the supervisor of this particular area did inform the contractor, and they did have information that Kamal had fallen into the ditch with his bike. However, they did not bother to inform the authorities about what had happened that night, post which they were absconding. That is the account of the father who was speaking to my colleague Simran, saying that I am not satisfied with the police inquiry. The two accused who have been arrested by the Delhi police, it's just a cover-up. Everyone is responsible for the death of my son, including the DJB, the authorities, even all the supervisors who were supposed to make sure that such an incident does not take place. Now, for more on this, we have Simran with us. Simran, you have spoken to the father of the victim, Kamal, here. He is clearly not happy with the way the inquiry has gone on. He is saying that everyone is responsible for the death of his son.
Hello?
Simran, can you hear me?
Hello? Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, Simran, I'm asking that you had spoken to the father of Kamal's father. He's saying that he's not happy. This is just a cover-up and everyone is responsible for the death of his son.
Absolutely. As in the course of the reaction of the victim's family coming at CNN News 18, what we can confirm is, after having spoken to him, is that he has expressed his displeasure with how the inquiry is going on. As in fact, there is no opposition ramping up more pressure over the authorities and the police, largely over the kind of conduct in which the investigation has been going on so far. The family, particularly the father of the victim, has said that I've lost my young boy. And in fact, even for 8 hours, I was on the road looking for him at the very same road where he was lying dead. And we were not even sure if he was there alive or not. And that is why he's not happy with how the police has been acting up. He's really conducting the investigation, conducting the forensic investigation. Even the DPCC president here has, after meeting with the father, has said that a father has expressed that they are not happy how exactly the authorities are also taking up this matter. Even after meeting with another political leaders as well, they seek accountability for the young life that they have lost.
Absolutely. Well, Simran, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Of course, we'll continue to track all developments here closely. Another life lost as a result of civic apathy. Who is going to be held accountable? These are some of the questions that remain unanswered time and time again, even in light of all these incidents coming to light.